They come after the storms. They are the contractors looking for damaged homes and, of course, promising great prices on those repairs.
Sounds too good to be true, and you know the answer there. The Attorney General warning about unlicensed scams. And tonight, Joe lets you know how to protect your money.
Unfortunately, some of our homes will be damaged by monsoon storms, but don't hire the contractor knocking at your door, and don't fall for the hastily put up Craigslist ad to get your attention. There are dozens of roofing ads.
Most of the ads promise quality work at great prices.
Using words like experienced, excellent, budget prices.
Quality job done the way you want it done, but no license number.
By law, contractors must show their license number in all advertising or state they are unlicensed. Many of these ads don't have either, so you don't know who you're getting. Maybe it's this guy accused of knocking on doors, doing unnecessary work like applying a roof sealant, then asking for more money. He's one of the Register of Contractors' most wanted unlicensed contractors. So is this man, accused of taking large amounts of money up front, then abandoning jobs. They are huge warning signs. Beware of any contractor who comes to you, won't show a license number, demands large upfront money, won't offer a contract, says his price is only good today. Instead, you need to get 3 estimates. Check the contractor's license number for complaints on the ROC website. Pay as little upfront as possible and pay with a credit card if you can. You can't get cash back. If you've got homeowners insurance, call them first. But remember, most policies only cover water coming down, like rain on roofs, not water coming up. You need flood insurance for that. The Better Business Bureau Let Joe Know volunteer team is solving your consumer problems every day. Need help? Call the team, email me, or like the Let Joe Know Facebook page and tell me about it there. I'm Investigator Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.
Well, tell us what you're seeing at home. We got a live poll up on our website right now, and it asks, do you have flooding or weather damage in your neighborhood? Head to abc15.com/poll to answer. We're going to have the final results later in this newscast.